Welcome to Qishiovid. This is a quick demo overview. You come in, you log in, you're going to start off here in the dashboard, which is right here. And you can see your basic information, how many we're seeing today, how many they've seen this week and this month and this year, and then graphical representation of that data. All right, so of course you can update your profile here, all your information about yourself. You can update that. Here, your videos will be shown here. Here's where you can upload your video as a video hosting. This is where you click and upload your video. You click on browse and upload it, and then it shows up right here in your profile. So those are the videos that you have uploaded. All right, then we come to our image creator. Again, very powerful image creator. It allows you to create, design, edit, all kinds of stuff. So let's go with one of these here. You see you pull up, here's a sample, and then you can add stuff to it. You can transform it. You can add text to it. You can add shapes and stickers, put a frame around it, and there you are. Apply, and now you actually have that. Okay, so zoom in, zoom out, adjust. It's a very powerful one. You can save it and download it to your computer. So that's your image creator. Your video editor comes in. It opens up a new window. You'll log in there. There's a whole nother video on the video creator itself. The 20,000 stock assets. Now, this is impressive. All of these 20,000 stock assets as a stock video bundle. There is a quotes, 550 quote images, 800 background audios, custom. So everything you would need for your videos are here. You just click on that. It'll open up the link to it. You download it, have it right on your hard drive. All these are for you just for purchasing Qishiovid. All right, so that's the 20,000 stock assets screen recorder. So if you want to create a training, kind of like what I'm doing right now, you do this right here in the screen recorder. You start it, you stop it, you download it, you've got it. Just like you're watching this video now, you can do this with your screen recorder. Trainings and tutorials will all be in here that you will be able to access right there. And then support. If you have a problem, you have a question, you click on support, it'll take you to the support page. So that is Qishiovid demo. There's a lot of things here that you can utilize to begin your video business or expand your video business. So take a look at all of these and take a look at each video that we've done to explain the different pieces, and you'll see how powerful Qishiovid is.